Hi everyone, welcome to Illustrator tutorial. This video I will focus on how to create a 3D words in the Illustrator. So first of all, we just use the type tool to type something that you want. For example, you can type a word or the full sentence, it's up to you. Okay, I just type on the hello. And then make sure you change the hello to a brighter color so we can see the effect easily. Okay, I change to the yellow color. Again, I make it bigger. Alright, move it to the middle. So this is my hello text. So what I'm going to do is I use my selection tool to make sure this hello is selected. And then we go to Effect, 3D, and then extrude and bevel. Just click on it. Okay, so it will pop up a dialog here. It's for 3D, extrude and bevel options. So what we need to do now is we go to the bottom here to check on the preview so we can see the result. Okay, so this will be your 3D text. You can try to modify the position by just clicking this circle, the cube inside this circle, to try to move around. Okay, the blue color surface is the main surface of your text, and then all the behind cube here will be the 3D effect. Okay, so we can try to adjust all these. And then the surface, you can click on here. You can use the diffuse shading, plastic shading, is up to you. You can adjust the light intensity by click the drop down here to adjust the light intensity. The ambience light here, click on the drop down to make it brighter. The blend step here, maybe you can put it to 100% so it blends it more natural. And then the shading color, you can either use a black color or you don't want the shading color, will be something like this. You can also custom your shading color. For example, I change to a bit green color, then I press OK. So this will be my shade. So it slowly blend to the green color, from yellow to green color. And then this extrude depth, you can also try to adjust it so the effect is more intense or less intense. So the cap will be something like this. You can also, on the bevel here, click on the drop down to try on all the effect that you want. None will be the normal 3D effect. And also under the surface here, there is a square box around the circle. And then around the circle here, the inside is something like the white dot. This will be your light. So you can also move the light. Okay, I change it to black color. Okay, so once I move the white dot here, you can see it slowly change the bright side. So just try to play around with all the options here. You can adjust, type your desired angle here, or you can just move this cube. So after you're done, just press on OK. So it will apply to your text here. Okay, so if I'm not satisfied with this effect, but I want to adjust it again, don't go to Effect, 3D and bevel again. So we just use the selection tool, select the object, and then we go to Window, check on the appearance. Once you check on the appearance, the right panel here will pop up, the appearance panel, and then you can see that there is the 3D extrude and bevel. So you see, once I check, okay, so I'm sure this is for my hello text. So you just double click on the 3D extrude and bevel so you can adjust again, but make sure you check on the preview so you can adjust your 3D effect again instead of apply another 3D effect on this text here. Thank you for watching.